Okay, then welcome again for our electrical engineering session. So we just did some quick introductory round, and I can maybe go back to our Moodle course and share my screen for a second. So there's just one thing that I would like to highlight. We have already talked a little bit about these additional assignments and stuff. And so one important thing that is really important from my point of view is that electrical engineering and all these engineering science is not what I call a spectator sport. You cannot learn this stuff by looking at someone solving exercise tasks or solving problems. At some point you have to do it yourself. And it's a little bit like trying to, does someone of you play an instrument? Guitar, piano, something like this? No, not really. Yeah, so it's a bit of the same. So you can watch for hours someone playing an instrument very nicely, and still you will not learn it how to play it. Yeah, you have to play it yourself, and at the beginning it's really hard and it sounds wrong, and you have to practice a lot, and then you will get better and better and better. And that's a bit the same with electrical engineering. And it's the same maybe also with practicing some sports, for example, practicing cycling. We could have the best cyclist here in front of the lecture hall or of the exercise room, showing how to cycle, showing how to push the pedals, showing how to steer the bicycle and so on. Still, no one of you will learn cycling. If you go on a bicycle without having practiced before, everyone will just fall down. So this is also something that one needs to practice. And it's also hard, and you will fall down, you need to stand up again and so on. And it's a little bit the same with what we've also talked a bit before, using AI tools. Of course, you can also give your assignments and give your exercise tasks to ChatGPT, to Gemini, to Claude, to DeepSeek, whatnot, and they will give you a solution. But the idea of solving exercise tasks is not that you have a solution at the end, but that you think about the problem. It's also, if you go exercising and training in the gym, it's not about, or lifting weights is not that you move weights from one place to another place or that a weight is lifted up. It's because what happens in your body at the same time. And so don't use ChatGPT as much as you want, but don't give it all your assignments and all your tasks, because then you will not learn yourself how to do them. And all the engineering sciences, electrical engineering and mechanical engineering and so on, at the end in the exam that we have also talked a little bit about is, that is also here on the Moodle course, you do not need to know a lot, but you need to be able to do a lot. You need to be able to solve tasks, and for example, what was discussed in lecture before, it's nice that you know how nodal voltage analysis works, and okay, you need to know this if you want to apply it, but at the end, applying this method to a certain problem, this is the challenging part. Everyone can learn and memorize how nodal voltage analysis works, but the challenging part is to apply it, to know to apply it, how to apply it to a certain circuit. So please remember this, please be aware of this. Electrical engineering, all the engineering sciences are no spectator sport.